Hey guys, so today we are playing Monster Trucks. Oh yeah, drive level 1, I think. Okay, Monster Truck. Okay. Oh yeah. Jump. Oh yeah. Let's go. Oh, let's go. Oh, yeah. Yes. Yes, finish the line. Okay. That's not the finish of the video. Oh, I forgot. I forgot something. It's next level. And I put first level again. I put this level again. Sorry guys. I'm sorry. I was going flying. Can I put an X in this one? Yes. Okay, this is what the next one. Look, this jump. No. No. Let's go. Ooh, yeah. Next. Go. Oh, ito. No, what's up? But I didn't do so well. Oh. I just going this side. I just going this side. Oh no. Okay, guys, we're back. Okay. No! Oh. I tried to stop, but I cannot do that. Oh, ito, guys. Right? Okay, this is real, guys. This is real. It's a big jump. Okay. I'm just going to say something to my brother. So, hi Fernando. Okay. I love you so much. I already want to come to here and subscribe for this video, Fernando. I like you so much, Fernando. Okay. I'm going to subscribe to your channel, Fernando. Okay. Bye, Fernando. Okay, I'm finished. Second one, next. Oh, and Fernando, who is Nicolas? Who is Nicolas? Fernando? Okay, Fernando, look that jump. Oh, I lost Fernando. Okay, guys. The name of my brother is Fernando. Okay. Start. Look, Fernando, look. Clean jump. Oh yeah, look this. You ready, Fernando, for the real one? This is not the real one, but we are going to finish for the real one. No, Fernando! Oh yeah. Hey, Fernando, I love you. Oh look guys, I'm the edge. No. Oh yes, guys. Okay, turn. Oh no, I crashed. Okay, guys, this is the end of the video. So subscribe and hit the bell. And I love you so much, Fernando. And bye, guys. Oh, I just forgot something. Make sure to subscribe. And I love you, the guys. Bye, guys.